Alright, just wanted to give an update on a project that I actually completed. So I don't know if you watched any of my previous videos, but I showed this, geared spinner thingy. And basically what it is a collet, so I can make this hole, whatever size I need to make it. Tapered end, and as you can see, this is tapered. So it just squeezes it, to keep it steady. So as you can see, this spins right now. And now it's nice and stable. So this is the box that I made. And turn your volume down on your phone because it's going to get loud here. But the idea is I want to be able to spin this to do chamfers of different size, things, I guess. But anyway, so this is... And then you can get an idea. So, yeah, basically anything I want to spin, I can just make anything I want to spin, I can just make a new collet for whatever it is, square, round. I could probably figure it out either way. And then I have this, collet with a gear set on it, and I can spin it. And that's all I wanted to show you.